welding. This is actually my second time welding. Not sure how much of a difference that's going to make though. So we'll see how it goes.
You all set?
Yes.
Okay.
So I close my mask.
Just as let me show you real quick. We got a couple of coupons here. This one is the one that's turned on. So I'm going to give that to you.
Okay.
What I want you to do is put the wire right down in the corner. If you look right there, you see the tip of that wire. Put it in the corner. Hold it at about a 45 degree this way.
Okay.
And about 10 degrees this way.
Okay.
You're going to squeeze the trigger and you may feel it push back a little bit.
Okay.
You want to push it in as close as you can get it.
Okay.
This nozzle, and then just move slowly and gradually from your left to your right.
Okay. All right. You said 45 degrees this way and 10 degrees.
The way you're holding it now is just perfect. Just move it.
Okay. And how do you recommend how to handle my secondary?
You can absolutely support it there. You can take the back of your hand and use the edge of the table to make it nice and smooth and easy.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay. I hit. Is that normal? Oh, it seems to be.
No, it shouldn't be that hard. Maybe it's not turned over.
I don't know.
You got to take it off your head.
Little problem with the helmet. So I should be able to see something.
Yeah, if you look through it, you can see down the right.
Oh yeah.
That's what it should look like until you pull the trigger and then push it. So then it should flicker and go dark.
Okay.
Do you ever mic or are you just kidding?
Yeah.
Or just...
All right. Hold on a second.
Okay, ready?
A little slower. Okay.
Okay, so now how is that compared to how it should look? Ah,
What do you think?
interesting. Ah, okay. So what could I have done better? A little more steady?
A little slower.
Okay.
Never track it down for
When
you,
that
Mike.
starts, you're going to see the roll that'll make a little round puddle.
Okay.
And you want to move slow and keep that puddle round. If that
Okay.
puddle starts to stretch out, you're moving too fast.
Okay. Interesting.
The other thing you can do is lean the gun a little bit more
Okay.
and sit yourself on this side of it so you can kind of peek in and see what's going on.
Okay. Should I try again? On the same one?
Let's turn it around.
Really?
Okay.
Scott, are you keeping track of this?
There you go.
I was trying
Get a little closer. A lot closer. Slow down a little bit. That's it. A little more practice. You're starting to get there. You
I
can see
see.
it smoothing out.
I can feel it, like, kind of feel right when I was doing it toward the end there.
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, it's always an adventure.
Yes, it is.
We're at Miller Electric's booth at ConExpo. Thanks.